Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Erase Iron Stain Remover. What is BioGuard Erase Iron Stain Remover? BioGuard Erase Iron Stain Remover is specifically formulated to combat iron-based stains, restoring your pool surfaces to their former beauty. Its proprietary granular formula can be added directly to pool water over the trouble areas and is compatible with plaster, tile, and vinyl surfaces to accommodate virtually all pools. It can even be used to remove cobalt staining on fiberglass pools. Product benefits: highly effective iron stain remover, compatible with all pool types. One bottle treats to 10,000 gallons of water. Dosage: 2 pounds per 12,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.